Hello my lovelies, how are you all doing this beautiful day? I'm Eshna and I welcome you back to my channel. Today it's going to be a fragrance haul and it's going to be a super huge collective fragrance haul because I have purchased couple of fragrances and I wanted you to show that what's probably coming for the reviews in the upcoming days, and I have always wanted to try these fragrances. So yeah, here it is, and I hope you will enjoy watching this. But before we get started, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell icon next to it so that you're notified for all my future uploads. Now let's get started. So I have some interesting perfumes that I wanted to try for such a long time, and I have also one perfume that I got as a part of my birthday gift. So let's dive in and I'll show everything that I got in the recent past. First, let me talk about this one. This is Enchanteur's Paris's Mon Ami. This one is the yellow variant. You have a pink variant in this, and they have, I guess, come up with two new variants. But I had the pink one. I haven't reviewed that in my channel yet, but I wanted to review it, and I saw this one on discount, so I thought might as well have that and give both the perfumes a review sometime soon. So this is an eau de toilette, and in the variant, like I said, Mon Ami. Mon Ami means my friend in French. Let's dive into the fragrance. This will be kind of a first impression video as well because I haven't tried these, nor am I aware of the notes on everything. So this is how the perfume looks like. This reminds me of Dior's Blooming Bouquet. It's just that the liquid is in yellow color. The same bottle and the same type of the liquid is pink for the other one from Enchanteur. But let's see how this smells like. Oh my god, this is super tight. That's good. Oh, like yeah, like the color yellow indicates, this is a citrusy one. Oh yes, it's a straight up citrusy happy fragrance. I mean, it is something that will make somebody happy, I think. It is a very zesty, happy, lively fragrance. Oh my god, I love this. This is perfect for the springtime. I might just start using this one. I mean, I love this one. So looking forward to use this, and of course wait for all the detailed review for this one. In the initial first impression, I love it. I don't know whether this has guava or not, but it's giving me a guava kind of a vibe as well. Let's see how this fares. So you get a 50 ml of product in here, and its marked price is rupees 750. However, I got this from Amazon and I paid rupees 563 for this one. Next up is a perfume which is a birthday gift from a friend of mine. This is the St. Oliver's perfume for women. This is also an EDT. The packaging is very smart looking, white, red and silver, and when I open it, this is how the perfume is housed. It's a very neat packaging. This is how the fragrance looks like. Your spray atomizer will work only when you take this lid off, which is the stopper kind of a thing. It's a very smart packaging. The atomizer is very good. It's a fruity fragrance. It's a fruity, zesty, I don't know, maybe a bit spicy fragrance, not sure. But yeah, nice. It has got a bit of sour element in it as well. Yeah, it's very different. I don't have anything like this in my collection. So yeah, it's very different. It's very nice. Not that I have anything from this line. So thank you, Shumoli. I love it. I don't know about the pricing as this was a gift. There's a 30 ml bottle. The marked price is 1100. Okay, so here's the pricing detail. The marked price is 1100. So pricey for a 30 ml. If the marked price is 1100, it's pricey. So yeah, This is another one. I will, if possible, I'll find out about these links and I'll try to give those in case you want to check it out. You want, then you can. Yeah, it's a very fruity, fresh, but a sour element is also there. Slowly it is evolving. We will see about the notes when we get into the review. I will test these out and start giving individual reviews as well. Okay, next up is something that I have been eyeing for ages. I am in love with Police perfumes and I have been looking at this variant called Passion like forever, and I've always wanted to have it in my collection. And there was a good discount running on this perfume and I grabbed onto this one. This is also housed here. The bottle is stunning. This is a cardboard box itself. This looks good. And this is how the bottle looks like. It's a beautiful transparent bottle with a hibiscus, or yeah, it's a hibiscus flower on imprinted on the bottle. The lid is solid red as well. I love this and I love the fragrance as well. It came, I had to spritz and I had to check how good or how bad this was. The sprayer is good. It's like fresh apple that I want to bite into. It's fruity, it's a bit gourmandish, it's like edible. You want to bite into all the juicy fruits out there. It's beautiful. I already love it. I will wear it and see how it fares on the skin and everything, and then I will share my final thoughts, consolidate the thoughts, and I'll share it with you. Because I have been super excited to try this perfume for ages, and Police fragrances are not cheap, so I had to break down all these orders. And of course, consider please, these are like purchases across various orders from various portals. They are not done in 1 month, of course. This one itself retails for rupees 2450, which is expensive, but I got it at a very great discount. I paid rupees 1225 and I purchased it from Myntra. Myntra and Nykaa are two places I buy all my online purchases from. Mostly Flipkart and Amazon I of course buy, but I trust Myntra and Nykaa anytime when it comes to luxurious fragrances, at least. This one is something, this is so beautiful. Yes, this is something called Passion, and I feel I'm passionate about this one. It's very good. I will test it out and I will give you my final thoughts in detail sometime soon. Moving on to another one, I only thought Archie's had fragrances which you can go to the store and then only you can purchase, but I saw Archie's available on Myntra as well. So this is one perfume that I picked up. This is an EDT as well. This is called Gals. The packaging is very lively and youthful. It's kind of a bit juvenile, the packaging. Perfect for school and college going girls. This is how your fragrance is housed. Once I take this off, this is how the bottle looks like. It itself looks like a, this itself looks like a pineapple. I don't know if you can see the dented structure and all that. I don't know, it reminds me of a pineapple. So this will be a juicy fragrance, I believe, as well. The lid is good, the spray is good. Okay, up straight it hits like a chemical-ish fragrance. Yes, fruity. Are all my fragrances fruity today? This is not only fruity, this is citrusy. But this is in something that is reminding me of the scent that you get in various inks as well. The use and throw pens which we used to use, and or else even the refills. Couple of refills also had some certain scent in there. This one reminds me of that. I have no clue whatsoever about the notes. I don't know whether the notes and anything is mentioned here. No, nothing is mentioned here as per the notes, but I didn't know Archie's perfumes are made in Turkey. They are made in Turkey as it's written right here. All the details about the perfume is written right on one side. So yes, I will test this out and I will share my final thoughts on this, and of course I'll research if I can find some note on this. But the bottle looks beautiful to be displayed in a vanity, and of course for a young school going or a college going girl, this will be a very beautiful purchase. The price point is decent as well. It is 499, which is 500 rupees, and I paid rupees 449. This one is Archie's Gals, and I purchased this from Myntra as well. Next, I have three variants from Secret. Secret Temptation is something that I used to wear in my school college days, and those used to be only deodorants then, and I always loved the talcum powder as well as the deodorant, and I wanted to try the perfumes as well, strictly for nostalgia and nothing else. This one I know, this is the romance variant, and this is something I definitely would love because I know the fragrance. I have used the deodorant and the talcum powder for ages. So this is how the perfume is housed. I love that they have given the shape that they have given to the bottles. This looks beautiful. It's a translucent bottle, and the ombre effect of white towards purple is beautiful. I don't like the gold sprayer to be very honest, but nonetheless this is nice. Where do I spray? Let me spray on the package itself. The lid is a acrylic lid. It's decent, it's okay. The sprayer is nice. My own fragrance, of course I love it. It's always a citrusy, a green scent. It's a fresh fragrance, I guess, with a hint of patchouli in it. I don't know about the notes. I will have to look up for the notes. But yes, this is a known fragrance. I knew I would like this one, so this is not a shocker for me. I loved romance long back when I used to wear the deodorant and the talcum powder version of these in the college. This one retails for, this is a 50 ml product, and this one retails for rupees 399. However, I paid rupees 228 and 12 Flipkart coins. Yes, I purchased this from Flipkart. Yes, so this is the first in the Secret Temptation line. Next, I have the Adore variant as well. This is the orange variant. Judging from the orange bottle, orange packaging, and this is the orange bottle. This looks beautiful. I believe this will be feminine, maybe fruity, I don't know, fragrance again. Fruit and floral are ruling the day. Oh my god, I have never tried this variant as a talcum powder or as a deodorant. I should have. This is way more better than romance. Oh my god, this is a bit musky, floral, fruity. My god, this is beautiful. I guess I have a winner. I mean, no, wait, I have to see the other one to judge which is the winner. But yeah, this is another one. This one I purchased from Myntra again. This one I paid rupees 287 from Myntra, and I don't regret it. It's beautiful. I don't know whether it has sandalwood or not. I'm getting a woody vibe as well. I will have to, no, yeah, musky and ambery, not woody, sorry. I will have to try these to let you know my thoughts finally. And finally, and last, I guess, yes, last is Secret Temptations Adore. This is a green packaging, sorry. Last is Dream This is a green packaging. All the details of the fragrance is right here. I don't know. Green fragrances. Is this going to be a green one? The bottle is just like the others. The shape is beautiful. The lid is secure. Let me spray it to know how it smells. Sprayer is okay. Compared to the other two, this sprayer is not good. Okay, so this one is also quite similar. On the lines of Adore. Yeah, it is. This is not same as Secret Temptations Romance. Romance is very different. Dream and Adore are similar. This one has a fruity vibe, quite similar to quite similar to Saint Oliver's Women perfume. They have, I don't know why I can smell banana. I don't think banana would be a note that anybody will be giving, but it's fruity. Straight up it is fruity, musky, ambery. I guess musky and ambery is the commonality between Adore and Dream, and the fruity bit as well. I'm not getting much of florals. Here, but it's fruity. Wow, this is also nice, but I think I like Adore more. Yeah, I prefer Adore more in comparison to this one. Now my idea about Secret Temptation has changed. It used to be only romance that I loved. Now it is Adore, and then Romance and Dream are fighting for the second spot. Now all of these are from the first impression. I haven't used any of these. I don't know how they will fare on my skin, how good they are from the lasting power and all. But these are all my initial thoughts. And if you enjoyed looking at this collective haul, then please give this video a thumbs up. Share it with your friends who might be interested in haul videos, and specifically for collective fragrance haul videos. And comment in the comment section and let me know, out of all these fragrances, which one would you like to see first. Then I will start testing those out and start filming one after the other. So yes, I guess that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed watching this. If you did, and if you like my videos, then please consider subscribing. It will mean the world to me and will help me grow as well. So also ring the bell icon next to it before you leave the video, because that will help you stay notified for all my upcoming uploads. And you can also follow me on various social media platforms. All the details of those are mentioned in the description box below and at the end of the video. So in case you want to follow me there, feel free to do that. And I will see you in my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy. Bye.